What if I told you the choice between React and Vue could change the way you build web apps forever? If you're a developer, choosing between these two can feel like a huge decision, but don't worry, I'm here to help you make that choice. Stick around because we'll dive deep into the pros and cons of React and Vue, compare their performance and speed, look at how easy they are to learn, explore the upcoming trends for each, and even see which one is better for the job market. By the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your project best. If React and Vue were people, React would be that super busy friend who's always juggling a million projects, while Vue would be the chill one, sipping coffee and saying, "Let's take it easy." Am I right? Let's break it down and see who wins this epic showdown. Alright, let's start with React. Pros and cons of React. Popularity. React is super popular. It's maintained by Facebook and has a huge community. This means tons of resources, tutorials, and job opportunities. If you learn React, you might just find yourself in high demand, like pizza at a party. Component-based architecture. React uses a component-based approach, making it easier to reuse code. This is great for large applications. You can build one component, then use it everywhere, saving time and sanity. Flexibility. React gives you the freedom to choose your own tools and libraries. Want to use Redux for state management or Axios for HTTP requests? Go for it. It's like being in a candy store, but you have to remember not to eat everything at once. Strong ecosystem. With tools like React Router and Next.js, you can easily build complex applications. The ecosystem is rich and continues to grow, which is super exciting for developers. Steep learning curve. React can be tough for beginners. Concepts like hooks and state management can feel like climbing a mountain, rewarding but challenging. JSX syntax. The JSX syntax can confuse new developers. Mixing HTML with JavaScript can feel like trying to read a book while riding a bike. Tricky. Frequent updates. While updates can be a good thing, React's frequent changes can sometimes lead to confusion. Keeping up with the latest features feels like trying to catch a bus that keeps changing routes. Now, onto Vue. Pros and cons of Vue. Easy to learn. Vue is beginner-friendly. Its syntax is simple, so new developers can jump right in without feeling overwhelmed. It's like learning to ride a bike with training wheels, much easier. Two-way data binding. Vue's two-way data binding makes it easy to keep your data and UI in sync. This is great for forms or real-time applications. You change it in one place and it updates everywhere. Vue. CLI. The Vue command line interface helps set up new projects quickly. It's like having a magic wand that creates a whole app with just a few commands. Flexibility and scalability. Like React, Vue is also flexible. You can use it for small projects or scale it up for larger applications. Plus, it has a great set of official libraries that integrate smoothly. Cons: smaller community. While Vue's community is growing, it's still smaller compared to React's. This means fewer resources and support. But hey, you can enjoy a cozy coffee shop vibe. Limited job market. There are fewer job listings for Vue compared to React, but with its rising popularity, this could change soon. It's like finding a hidden gem in a treasure hunt. Flexibility can lead to confusion. Vue's flexibility is great, but it can sometimes lead to confusion about how to structure your project. Now, let's talk about performance. Both frameworks are pretty fast, but they have their quirks. React is known for its virtual DOM. This helps in optimizing updates to the user interface. It's like having a super fast car in a race. React can handle heavy applications with many components efficiently. Vue also has a virtual DOM and is designed to be highly performant. It can handle data updates quickly. Think of it as that friend who knows all the shortcuts and still beats you to the finish line. However, in large applications with complex states, React often shines brighter. In many cases, you won't see a huge difference in speed, but React can handle bigger applications better. If you're building something huge, React might be your go-to. Also, keep in mind that performance can depend on how well you structure your code and manage your components, regardless of the framework. As we mentioned earlier, the learning curve is key. React can feel like climbing a mountain with rocky paths. You'll need to learn concepts like hooks, context API, and more. But once you conquer that mountain, you'll be on top of the world, ready to tackle any project. Vue is more like a stroll in the park. You can start building small applications quickly, the documentation is friendly, and the community is supportive. It's perfect for beginners or those who want to get something done fast. If you're new to programming, Vue is your friendly neighbor, ready to help. Finally, let's look at some upcoming trends. React is constantly evolving. With features like server components and React Server, it's keeping developers excited. The React community is always buzzing about new tools and libraries. Think of it as your favorite TV show that just got renewed for another season. Vue, on the other hand, is gearing up for Vue 3 enhancements. This includes better performance, composition API for more powerful features, and a focus on TypeScript support. It's like that sequel that everyone has been waiting for. As more developers adopt Vue, expect its ecosystem to grow as well. Both frameworks are looking bright, so you really can't go wrong with either choice. Stay tuned to see how they evolve in the coming years. So, there you have it. React versus Vue. The pros, cons, performance, learning curves, and future trends. Which one do you prefer? Comment below with your thoughts. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech debates. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you pick React or Vue, you're already winning because you're coding. See you next time.